Big blunt smoking choppers in the air like somebody gotta die tonight. Somebody gotta die tonight. Somebody gotta die tonight. Glad me see another day. Liberty around my way. Baka baka baka. Everybody faster than Usain. Begging out that holy grass. Smoking on that holy grass. Reading that holy book. Hang around the fucking crooks. Right here, fuck a lottery. My niggas run up on you, I'm in your magazine. Yeah, that photo shoot, that's my alibi. Fuck a lawyer, fuck a judge, gangsta never cry. Mommy want me better, sister want me better. Haters want me dead, couple holes in my sweater. Old fashioned G, 3-star ratchet. Blood running out fast, your brethren try to stop it, nigga. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like I'm the best doing this shit. Yeah. Someone said big up all the real G's, smoking on the real trees. Puff the herb on what our own baton. Gully cash, nigga. Yeah. Big blunt smoking choppers in the air like. Disrespect me, I'm gon' spray. Never hesitate. Niggas defecate in their drawers, face redecorate. Tryna elevate, but this beef they still perpetuate. Real shit, couple dupes trying to make a difference in their life, but the system pulling back. I load the Mac, I fire back. Body drop, no witness, no snitching. Snitching never LT, they're minding their own business. Cold fella, puff the O with some real niggas. Niggas trippin', smoking on little Pelico. Gun not legal, pull off, kill any Debo. And run off to Orchie and cool off a couple senoritos. I mean senorita, watch my rhyme nigga. But you can't do better, so stop chatting my gun cock. My niggas bore you up like they using a fucking thumb top. I'm a done chat, still doing this shit without a contract. Gully cash. Yeah. Take my gun. Ah, shit. Yeah. Big blunt smoking choppers in the air like somebody gotta die tonight. Somebody gotta die tonight. Big blunt smoking, big blunt smoking, big blunt smoking, nigga, big blunt smoking. Yeah, Gully cash. Yeah, forever, 4/5, forever.